After countless delays, are investors losing patience? Well, Mohamed Farid Saleh is vice chairman of the Egypt Stock Exchange. I'm pleased to say that he joins me on the phone now from Cairo. Mr. Saleh, thank you very much indeed for your time. So why did you delay the opening again?
Well, thank you very much for letting us talk on Bloomberg related to the opening of the Egyptian market. The market has been delayed due to logistic issues rather than anything else. We are awaiting to finalize the logistics related to easing a little bit the financial conditions of brokerage companies. This is from one hand. And the second thing was related to some old investors that used to trade with paper IDs. Now we need to update all their details and information in order to ensure that no banned investors.
Mr. Saleh, can you be a little bit more specific when you say logistics? What is it exactly that you're trying to work out?
What we're trying to work out, the Treasury promised us, promised the regulators that they would provide a funding with around 250 million Egyptian pounds to brokerage companies to aid them during the past period and to ease a little bit the pressure on investors that used to work with margin or credit. And the whole procedures are being set in place. We assumed that it will be done by Tuesday, but it took more time, and the final call would be on Sunday that we will resume trading on the Egyptian exchange.
What exactly are you hoping to achieve, though, by delaying the opening of the exchange? Are you concerned about losing credibility with foreign investors? What have you been telling them?
What I'll be asking you, frankly speaking, is that foreign investors need to be patient with us. We know that they have been patient. Egypt has been passing through unprecedented events that no one could have accounted for. But they have been trading with us for a long period of time, and they have been witnessing the Egyptian exchange, and we were abiding always with international standards and IOSCO principles for trading and so on and so forth.
But Mr. Saleh, you have, with respect, you have postponed the opening of the exchange several times now. What do you say to criticism that the market should be open by now, and that by postponing trading, you are simply putting more selling pressure on the market?
Well, the postponing of trading is related to two issues, frankly speaking. The first was related to the banking sector in the Egyptian economy was not operative because of some demonstrations of the workers. And hence, if the banking sector is not working properly, and we had some internet problems as well, we couldn't ensure the proper functioning of the market because we will not be able to settle the trades. What we assure you is that once we started to see the operations of the banking sector going smoothly, and this happened last week, and by mid of last week we could say, things are going smoothly in the banking sector, we started considering opening the market. This time the delay is only related to logistics. I assure investors that we will be opening on Sunday. They have been dealing with Egypt and the Egyptian exchange for quite a long period of time, and they know that we abide by international standards as much as possible. And I ask them to be patient with us because what happened in Egypt is unprecedented, and we all expect that in the medium term, with the contestability and the democracy that we'll be seeing in the Egyptian market, all economic policies or this contestability and democracy should yield better economic policies, which will be reflected on the Egyptian exchange and the companies listed on the Egyptian exchange as well.
That is certainly the aspiration, isn't it? Thank you so much. We are all waiting Sunday, the day that the stock exchange is expected to reopen. Mr. Mohamed Farid Saleh, I would love to speak to you for another update from you on Monday morning. It's great to get your thoughts. You're Vice Chairman of the Egyptian Stock Exchange. Thank you.